In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Constant Contact. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the details you need to create a professional and engaging newsletter. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once there, simply type in Constant Contact in the search bar. This will bring up the website as one of the top results. Click the link to navigate to Constant Contact's homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll want to find the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Fill in your login information and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed with setting up your newsletter. Once logged in, locate the Emails tab, which is often found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Emails will take you to a page where you can manage and view your email campaigns. We're going to create a new one, so look for a button or link that says Create an Email and go ahead and click it. Next, you'll see an option to select what type of email you want to create. Here you'll want to choose newsletters, as this is what we're focusing on today. When you click on newsletters, a variety of templates will be presented to you. Each template offers a different style or layout, so take a moment to browse through the options and select the one that best fits your brand or message. With your chosen template loaded, it's time to edit the content to suit your specific needs. This is your opportunity to personalize the newsletter with your text, images, and anything else that aligns with your branding and communication goals. Ensure that all the content is up to date and error-free, creating an engaging and clear design that will captivate your audience. After you've completed editing, look for a button that says Continue. Clicking this will allow you to save your progress. It's a good practice to save often, so in case any technical issues arise, your hard work is preserved. The next step will be to save your newsletter as a draft. This is a crucial step because it ensures your newsletter is securely stored, enabling you to revisit and make any final tweaks before sending it out. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a newsletter in Constant Contact. You can now confidently move forward with scheduling or sending your newsletter. Remember, a well-crafted newsletter can significantly enhance your engagement with subscribers, so take pride in your creation. Thank you for following along today, and happy emailing.